Let's solve this equation together. It says 4 raised to power a plus 1 plus 4 raised to power a minus 1 is equal to 20. Okay, how do we solve this? So if you want to solve this, you can say that a raised to power m plus b is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power b. Okay, so and also a raised to power m minus b is equal to a raised to power m divided by a raised to power b. Let's apply this knowledge here. So 4 raised to power a can be written, a plus 1 can be written as 4 raised to power a times 4 raised to power 1, which is 4. Okay, times 4 plus 4 raised to power a minus 1 can be written as 4 raised to power a over 4. And this is equal to 20. Okay. Moving on from here, we can have, let's just assume that 4 raised to power a is equal to x. Okay. So we can say 4 raised to power 8 being x, we have x times 4, which is 4x plus x over 4 to be equal to 20. Okay. Moving on, multiplying each term with 4, we have 4 times 4 to be 16x plus 4 times x is 4x over 4, which is x to be equal to 4 times 20 is 80. Okay. Now from here, we have 17x to be equal to 80. Hence, x is equal to 80 over 17. Okay. But recall what we stated initially. Recall that 4 raised to power a is equal to x. Hence, we have that 4 raised to power a is equal to what? 80 over 17. Okay. Moving on, from here, we can rewrite 4 raised to power a to be equal to, or we can write 4 to be equal to 2 squared. Okay. This is the first one. We can write 80 to be equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 5 is 20. Okay. This is equal to 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 2. So 2 raised to power 4 times 5 is equal to 80. Okay. So substituting this into this, we have 2 squared, okay, times a, which is 2 raised to power 2a, to be equal to 2 raised to power 4 times 5, okay, over 17. Okay. Now, moving on, we are going to have, okay, from here, we can take the logarithm of both sides. So we have log of 2 raised to power 2a to be equal to log of 2 raised to power 4 times 5 all over 17. Okay. Now, this can be rewritten as 2a multiplied by log of 2 to be equal to log of 2 raised to power 4 times 5 over 17. Okay. Now, dividing both sides by 2 times log of 2, so we have a left here to be equal to log of 2 raised to power 4 times 5, okay, divided by 17 all over, what we now have here is what? 2 times log of 2. Moving on from here, we can have this as log of, so we have 2 raised to power 4 times 5, which is plus log of 5, and then we have divide 17, which is minus log of 17. So each of them is divided by 2 times log of 2 over 2 times log of 2 over 2 times log of 2. Okay. So this can be written as, so log of 2 raised to power 4 can be written as 4 times log of 2, okay, all over 2 times log of 2 to be equal to 1 over 2 times log of 5 over log of 2 minus 1 over 2 times log of 17 over log of 2. Okay, and this is equal to, so log of 2 strikes out to give us 2 left here, plus half times, now log of 5 over 2 can be written as log of 5 in base 2. So we can have this as log of 5 in base 2 minus, so the same thing applies here. We have half times log of 17 in base 2, and this is equal to a. Cheers for watching.